Hey everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Have another unboxing, and this one is of the VRX Spirit RH1017 brushless version. I did not unbox it yet. What you see there is the Nitro version of the VRX Spirit. So I'll kind of have that in the background, and we can do a electric and nitro comparison once we get this thing opened up. So the box he came in was pretty small, very good condition. I'm pretty happy about this. This is one of my last orders coming in from Banggood. I was able to use their 20% off coupon while they still had it. So I got this at a great deal. I think from the $202 down to like 166, I think it was. So awesome deal. Shipping took a while, but it's here, and from the looks of it, in great condition. So that's pretty cool. Here's a shot into the box. Go ahead and take out the accessories. So here we have our battery charger, EU plug. I mentioned these are pretty decent for value LiPo chargers because they have a port for 2S and a 3S, just for option. Here's the spoiler that goes to it, as it doesn't come attached for packaging and shipping reasons. As usual, this does come with a FlySky GT2 transmitter. Nothing wrong with these. Great solid budget transmitter. My only gripe, as I've mentioned in a lot of my other videos, is that it takes 8 AA batteries. What I do is I have a GT3C, which holds multiple memory, up to 10 receivers. So I'll bind that to here to save myself the 8 AA's and just to keep things clean. Yeah, let's open this one up. So very well packed. I'm very happy about it. No zip ties, but none needed. It was very secure with the wheels in the packaging. Let's look at the manual. What you get, typical with any other VRX. It's showing the two or the different models that this Spirit Buggy comes in. The Spirit EBD is brushed, EBL is brushless. Spirit N1 is Nitro single speed. Spirit N2 is Nitro 2-speed, which I have not been able to find. So what I've been doing is getting the spare 2-speed gearbox and installing that myself, which I have other videos coming up. Let's put this on display. So this buggy, I'll set this down. So this brushless buggy comes with a 3650 3300 kV brushless motor. This purple guy right here. VRX is pretty nice because they do stamp their own motor logo onto it. But yeah, 3300 kV, so decent speed. It's a 45 amp ESC, and this comes with a 2-cell. So this comes with a 7.4 volt 2-cell 3300 milliamp LiPo battery, 25C discharge. Decent. It's good because this is ready to run, with the exception of the 8AA batteries for the transmitter. So that's something to note, ready to run. Other than that, this thing looks pretty great. The chassis is more narrow than I anticipated, but doesn't mean anything, just an observation. So what we can do now is set it next to its Nitro cousin, and we can see how they line up. We'll take the body off of this, and both of these are ready to run RCs. The electric version is a little bit more ready to run, in the sense that all you need are the 8AA batteries, and you just charge your battery pack and you're ready to go. But and the Nitro, you actually need 12 AA's, 8 for the transmitter, 4 for the receiver pack. And then of course you'll need nitro fuel and a nitro starter kit, which includes the glow plug igniter. So a little bit more that you'll need to go with the Nitro, but out of the box, I probably say that the Nitro is faster, with that just running on a 2S. But if you popped a 3S in there, I'd be interested to see, and that's something I will test. The problem is right now can't find my speed meter, which sucks. But once I do, I'll get some speed runs going again. Here's a look of the wheel track width. So you can see that the Nitro is a little bit wider. Have this wheel lined up. So wheels and tires are the same. But you can see this track is just a little bit more, which is interesting because that was similar to what I saw comparing the VRX Nitro Buggy to the HSP Nitro Buggy. But I'm pretty excited about these. I have another VRX Brushless, the Rattlesnake, and I have a blast with that thing. It's awesome and it's durable. It's got a metal chassis compared to the plastic, but I actually picked this up because I've bent metal chassis and I wanted to try out a plastic one, and I do plan to run both of these at the track. So you know, definitely stay tuned for track running videos of the Nitro version and the electric version of this VRX Spirits. Let me put the body covers back on, get another look. And yep, there we go. So very cool, very excited, and thanks for watching.